tag, a pen, and then a straw topper for your water bottle.
Fantastic. Get ready as we go to Animal Kingdom and do parks the jet way. I don't recommend this if you are a first timer, but if you want a relaxing park day, I got you. First we have to get ready. Not everybody gets all dolled up to go to the park. And there we go. Let's go to Animal Kingdom. Looks like someone's doing some yoga this morning. Almost there. All right, made it to Animal Kingdom. Guys, someone just gave us a map, which is really nice. Haven't used a map in a long time for this park. It was very nice, they tried. And a little bit of shopping, you know. Precious is being real weird. Just fought with it for 10 minutes. I did a factory reset on it. The record button wasn't working. I'm gonna need to have a new Precious. This is not working well. Need to go by Feathered Friends in Flight. We just passed Dinoland. Walk over to near Feathered Friends in Flight. To get on Expedition Everest, one of my favorites. We're gonna do single rider line because there is really not a line. Starting time is about 10 of 11. It's about 10:50 right now. Okay, it is about 5 after, so we've been here about 15 minutes and I'm about to get on. And here we are, we're going to Upcountry Landing, where there's this lovely little station. Travel agents. Not an everyday thing, but it's right now, so. Hi. Hi, how are ya? Oh, thank you.
A luggage tag, a pen, and then a straw topper for your water bottle.
Fantastic.
We got some potato chips, and then Mary in the back has got some water.
A rare treat. It's Mickey ice cream bar time. So good. The little guy's like scavenging for stuff. He can't have my Mickey bar. What's up, buddy? Well, that was lovely. Had a nice Mickey bar, a little water, because it's super hot. Now we are I'm going to continue to walk and we will see what takes our fancy. Just boarded the Wildlife Express. A little break from the heat. Yeah, we kind of are taking a long way to lunch because we're eating at Tiffin's. Love. Walked through Africa and now we are heading through Pandora. We're entering now, so let's see it. So, beautiful Pandora. Now, working over to Tiffin's because they have a lunch that looks amazing. Right next to Tiffin's, that is Nomad Lounge. The wait list starts before it actually opens. There's a beautiful outdoor seating patio. There is an inside area. There's like small plates, there's noshes, cocktails. You can have all sorts of stuff. It's one of my favorite little spots for just relaxation. Look at this. going in now. Okay. All right.